Music has a unique way of bringing us together and reminding us of who we are. Today, we stand united to honor our country, its history, its people, and its future with a song. These fields were built on futures they let go.